Hey, I'm Mike DeQuino at Brother Jimmy's. I want to talk to you about a few of our famous, most popular dishes. So these are three of our traditional dishes, our most popular dishes. These are our barbecue nachos. We make our own homemade guacamole. They're barbecue nachos because we use our smoked baked beans that we smoke in-house, triple layer of cheese, guacamole, and our own salsa. These are our northern style ribs. They are smoked for 6 hours in-house, butchered in-house, sauced, and then we smoke them again. Homemade mac and cheese, Velveeta base, and then we top it with our cornbread breadcrumb. Gives it a nice texture. Homemade cornbread, every dish can be served with pickles and pickled red onion. And this is our famous pulled pork sandwich. Again, smoked in-house or pork butt, 16 hours with our own Brother Jimmy's rub with our homemade coleslaw. Carolina way to do it, coleslaw onto the pulled pork, that makes the sandwich.